Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to turn off messenger notifications for one person. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. Hold 1 minute. So open the particular conversation and click on this I button to the right hand corner, and here you'll find this notification and sounds option, so click on that and turn off notification. Now you can select a time. I'm going to select it here until I change it. Okay, so this was the first method to turn off messenger notification for one person, and the second way is open the conversation, click on this I button, and you can mute the conversation. If you'd like to see more helpful videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. Thank you for watching.